Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide likes on YouTube Shorts on PC. You can easily hide the number of likes that you have got on your YouTube Shorts on your PC. To do that, open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.youtube.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to your YouTube. Now make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. After that, here you can see your YouTube profile on the top right. Click on your YouTube profile. Then here you can see YouTube Studio option. Click on YouTube Studio. With that, you'll be taken to your YouTube Studio. Now here you can see your dashboard. Now click on content option on the left. With that, here you can see all your contents. Now click on sorts option on the top. With that, here you can see the short that you have uploaded. Now here choose the sort in which you want to hide your likes. Then here you can see the pin like icon. Click on the pin like icon. With that, now here scroll down. Then click on show more option. Then scroll to the down. And then here you can see the option of show how many viewers like this video. Now here you need to just click on the given box so that your viewers won't be able to like this video. After that, you need to click on the option of save. With that, you'll be able to save the change and you'll be able to hide likes. This is how we can hide likes on YouTube Shorts on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.